In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change your Apple ID profile picture directly from your iPhone. Your Apple ID profile picture is the image that represents you across various Apple services. It's a great way to personalize your account and make it more recognizable. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Once you are on this page, tap on the current profile picture. Now you have the ability to change your Apple ID profile picture, and there are two ways to do that. If you want to take a photo right now to set as the Apple ID profile picture, tap on the camera button, and it will open the camera on your iPhone. Most people are not going to do that, so if you want to select an existing photo to set as your Apple ID profile picture, simply tap on this button over here, and then tap and select the photo you like. You can move and scale the photo and select the exact part of the photo you like. Then tap Choose at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you want to, you can also add filters to your photo. You can also select any of these memojis or emojis as your Apple ID profile picture. Once you've selected your photo, tap Done at the top right corner of the screen to save changes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.